everyone. Welcome to another episode of Sparkle with Alisha. Today we are going to do another science experiment because I love science and it's my favorite subject. Today's science experiment is Foamy Fountain. For today's experiment, we will need citric acid, baking soda, stirring rod, a conical flask, dish liquid, water, measuring spoons, and some colors. First of all, we're going to add 20 ml of dish liquid into the conical flask. We are using 2½ teaspoons of baking soda. Now, in another measuring cup, we put 150 ml of water. Now I am going to add blue color pigment into the water. We are using 2½ spoons for citric acid to put it in the water. Now we are going to stir the water. Let's take this water and add it to the dish liquid. Don't take your eyes off the foamy fountain because it's going to erupt. When I mix baking soda and dish soap with citric acid water, it creates bubbles of gas called carbon dioxide. The soap traps in bubbles and turns them into foam. It comes out so fast and makes a foamy fountain. Now I'm going to do the same experiment but with different colors. If you liked today's video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to check out my science and math videos. I'm going to post new science and math videos. Don't forget to check them out. See you in my next video. Bye.